Alrighty guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our first time for this channel, Shining Fates box. It's going to have the Polteageist. Hopefully we can pull a Shining Charizard. Let's get right to it. Alrighty, so we do have the Polteageist pin and the promo card, which are very nice. And then it does come with 3 of the Shining Fates packs. It does have a online code card as well. Alright, so we got 3 packs. We're going to save the Shining Fates Charizard one because I have a good feeling that we might pull a Charizard out of it. Then we got these 2. I'm going to start with one of these first. Let's see what we got here. First one is an Eevee. And I took the online code card out. Let's see here. We have an Eevee. We have a Morpeko. We have a Glossifleur. We have another one. We have a Yanma. And we pulled the Eternus VMAX gold card. So that's very nice. I don't see anything wrong with the back. Very nice card. A Volcanon, Energy, Fotzel, Team Yell Towels, and a Rotom. Let's see, let's get to the next one. Actually, we'll put these into place right now. Next Shining Fates pack. First card is a Trapinch. I'm going to take the online code out. We have a Nickit. We have a Buzzle. We have a Sphinx, Coughing. We have a Reverse Hollow Nickit. And we have a Delamise V card. Very nice. Another decent pull from it. We have an energy card. We have a Luxio, Thwackey, and a Rusted Shield. Let's see, last one. Come on, hopefully we pull something good. This one is that Charizard pack. Alright, we're going to take the online code out. We have the Spinnerack. We have a Buzzle, a Rowlet, a Trapinch, a Snow, a Galarian Weezing reverse holographic, and we have a Greedent V Pokemon card. Very nice. Back is in good condition. We have energy. We have a Team Yell Towel, Camarant, and a Ball Guy. Alrighty, so these are going to be the pulls that we got from this pack. Eternus VMAX, Delamise, Greedent, and a Galarian Weezing. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and pretty soon I'm going to be giving a giveaway just to people who comment on my video. So just remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for that update. Thanks.